Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful earring that you can use for your holiday party. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute earring. We will need a piece of paper in gold glitter and a piece of paper in silver glitter or not glitter. Okay, now we will need the paper punches, this one, because we will need to cut 2 squares of paper, voila, for the front and the back of this part, voila. And then we will need to cut also 2 circles for this part. If you don't have the paper punches, you can use something rounded or something in a form of the square to cut with a pair of scissors the form. Okay, now we will need to use some tacky glue in order to glue together the front and the back of this part. Okay. Voila. Here. Press down and leave it to dry. Okay, now we will need to glue this to this part in order to have this situation, and with some tacky glue we will glue together this. Okay, here, and leave it to dry. And then we will need to punch a hole here in order to cover the other part, voila. And with some glue we will glue together these two. Okay. Voila. Here, and press down. Voila. Leave it to dry. Now we will need 2 beads. These beads are come from another pair of earring that I bought in a €1 shop. So I will use these 2 that are already ready. This for the end part and this one between the 2 pieces of paper. Now we will need to, this was already glue and ready. We will need to punch 2 holes here at the end of this square paper and here in this part, voila, in order to, voila. And here we will attach our jump ring and our beads. So here and this, and now we will close the jump ring here and this way. Just a second. Voila. And then we will need to add this part, so we will attach this part. No, it's not. Okay, just a second. Okay, and now we will need to add this bead here, closed. Voila. Now we will need to punch a hole here in this part. Voila. And we will pass our jump ring. No, this is a little. Voila, now it's bigger enough. Here. Voila. And now we will close this jump ring here, and the earring is ready. Here our chandelier earring, this part, and here our earring are ready, and they are so nice, and you can create them in many different colors with the paper that you prefer, the beads that you prefer. This is only an idea, and you can mix and match paper and beads as you like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.